Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here Muhammad Tayyab from Army Public School and College Khanewal. Your class is 8th, your subject is physics, your week is 9th online support program. Your topic is history and your subject teacher is Mr. Muhammad Tayyab. Today our topic is random motion, rotatory motion, vibratory motion, and our objective is at the end of the lesson students will be able to understand random motion, rotatory motion, and vibratory motion. Day is 3. First of all, we will discuss our previous topic, translatory motion. In translatory motion, a body moves along a straight line. The line may be straight or curved. For example, a car moving in a straight line is in translational motion, and a train moving along a straight line also has translational motion. Next one is a type of translatory motion is linear motion. Straight line motion of an object or a body is known as a linear motion. For example, aeroplane flying straight in air and object falling vertically down are the examples of linear motions. Third one is a circular motion. The motion of an object in a circular path is known as circular motion. A car moving along a circular track possesses circular motion. Motion of the earth around the sun and the motion of the moon around the earth are also the examples of circular motion. Now we will come back to our today topic, random motion. Have you noticed the type of motion of insects and birds? Their movements are irregular. The disordered or irregular motion of an object is called random motion. Motion of insects and birds is random motion. The motion of dust or smoke particle is in air is also random motion. You can see that in these slides, irregular motion of a body in which the direction is not fixed is called random motion. Bird is flying, butterfly is flying in the air. In movement of butterfly is a random motion, and the ball movement due to the hockey is a random motion. Now I will share you the animation about the random motion that is more helpful to you for learn. You can see that in this slide, atom or molecule of a gas is moving randomly. The motion of a dust or smoke particles in the air is a random motion. The Brownian motion of a gas or liquid molecule along a zigzag path, such as you can see that is also example of random motion. You can see that in this animation, this is the atom or molecules of a gas or air moving randomly in air. This is the random motion. Next one is rotatory motion. Study the motion of a top. It is spinning about an axis. What is axis? An axis is the line around which a body rotates. Particles of the spinning top move in circles, and thus individual particles possess circular motion. In a circular motion, the point about which a body goes around is outside the body. In rotatory motion, the line around which a body moves about is passing through the body itself. The definition is that the spinning motion of a body about its axis is called its rotatory motion. The motion of a wheel about its axis and that of a steering wheel are the examples of rotatory motion. The motion of the earth around the sun is circular motion and not the spinning motion. However, the motion of the earth around its geometric axis that cause day and night is rotatory motion. Think of some more example of rotatory motion. You can see that in these slides, the spinning motion of a body about its axis is called rotatory motion. What is axis? An axis is the line around which a body rotates. For example, the motion of a wheel about its axis and that of a steering wheel are the examples of rotatory motion. You can see that in this diagram, the wheel is rotating about an axis. This is the axis point, and the steering wheel are the example of rotatory motion. This movement is the example of rotatory motion. This point is the axis point. Now I will share you the animation about the rotatory motion that is more helpful to you for learn. You can see that in this animation video, the fan is rotating about an axis. This is axis point and the wings of fan is rotating about an axis. This is the example of rotatory motion. Next one is the vibratory motion. You can see that in this slide, vibratory motion is a back and forth, to and fro motion of an object. For example, a swim set, it vibrates back and forth as you swim it. Motion of the pendulum of a clock is also the example of vibratory motion. You can see that this is the pendulum of the clock that moves about the mean position. This is the mean position, and when the clock is moving, pendulum of the moving, this point is the extreme position, A and B. This is the extreme position. And the next definition is that to and fro motion of a body about its mean position is known as vibratory motion. To and fro motion of the pendulum of the clock about its mean position, it is called vibratory motion. We can find many examples of vibratory motion around us. Look at the children in the seesaw. How the children move as they play the seesaw game. Do they possess vibratory motion as they move the seesaw? A body in a cradle moving to and fro motion of a hammer, of a ringing electric bell, and the motion of the string of the star are some of the example of vibratory motions. Next is your assignment. Learn and write random rotatory and vibratory motion with example. Solve the mini exercise on page 32 on your textbook. Thank you.